had one conversation with this one woman, and she told me how she didn't really realize the full extent of the government shutdown until she came to DC and saw it for herself. Just for context, my name is Camila. I'm a political reporter based in DC, and I cover Congress and Capitol Hill and everything that's been going on with the government shutdown. Now, yesterday I didn't go to Capitol Hill, but I did spend a lot of hours on National Mall talking to tourists that just came from everywhere, from abroad, from different parts of the US, just to come to DC to go to the Smithsonian's. And we're finding out for the first time yesterday that all of them were closed because of the government shutdown. Where did you travel from?
Florida. Yes.
And so, I mean, a lot of what I'm kind of talking about, people don't realize the magnitude of the government shutdown and what exactly impacts. And are you kind of seeing it firsthand? Like, what is your feeling of that?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I feel bad for the workers and for different things. I took an Uber this morning and somebody was Ubering extra just to be able to make money while they're not able to work. And I actually talked to someone in the Starbucks in here yesterday, and she was talking about how she wasn't sure if she was going to work next week or not, and so it's just hard. I feel mostly bad for them.